Hi, I am Rupesh Kumar Shah. In this video, I will work with our Messi employee dataset. It has column like ID, name, age, salary, gender, country, experience, remote, and rating. The data contains missing values, duplicate, wrong format, unclear text, and error like invalid dates or numbers. I will clean the data step by step. Fix numeric column like age, salary, experience, rating. Correct text data in column like gender, remote, and name, country. Fill missing value with median mode or default text. Remove duplicate, fix invalid dates, create new features like age group, salary range, and experience level. Scale numeric column to make the dataset ready for machine learning. By the end of this video, you will see how messy data become clean and structured and ready for analysis. Now let's start and see each step in action. Import pandas SPD for data manipulation. Import numpy for numeric operation. Now for visualization, matplotlib. Now import C1. C1 is a library that helps us make nice looking chart easily. It works well with the tables of data and can show pattern, trend, and relationship clearly. Wide grid is a predefined plot style. Here I am loading a Messi employee dataset. We can see column like ID, name, age, salary, gender, country, experience, remote, and rating. Some data might be missing, duplicate, or incorrect format. Now we can visualize the missing values in our dataset using a heat map. The lighter areas show where data is missing and the darker areas show where data is present. This helps us quickly understand which columns need cleaning. Now we remove exact duplicate rows to clean the data using drop duplicate. Here we fix the age column by replacing unrealistic value with a median. Now we clean the salary column by converting all values to number and replacing invalid entry with the median. Next we clean the experience column, converting all values to number and filling missing or invalid entries with the median. Now we move column by column and clean each on step by step. After numeric column, age, salary, experience, rating, we will clean categorical columns like gender, remote, name, country. Then we will handle join date. Each step ensure the data is consistent and ready for analysis. After cleaning, the next step is feature engineering. Here we create new column from existing data to make it more meaningful for analysis or machine learning. In our dataset, we can do age group, categorize age into group like young, adult, senior. Salary range also categorize salary into low, medium, high. Experience levels also into junior, mid, senior, like that. This helps the model analyze, understand pattern better than just raw number. We convert categorical column into numeric values so that machine learning models can understand them. Now we scale numeric columns to put all values on a similar range. Our dataset is now fully clean, feature engineered, and ready for analysis. Thank you. Hello, hello.